Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be filming an updated room tour. So yeah, let's just get started. On my door here, we have a sign that says fruit stand, lemonade, and strawberry picking. And then on my closet, we have a butterfly photo and then the sign that I made that says Rachel's Closet. Moving along, we have this area, which is wall decor and my dressers. So on my dresser, we have a necklace holder, cute little spring decor, some highlighters, an earring holder, fake plant right there, my Paris lamp, a thing that says happiness is you, speaker, and my Dunkin' mug. On this section of the wall, we have my clock, canvas that says God is love, some little Paris things, and then we have Never Stop Dreaming, Coco Chanel canvas, and Believe in Yourself and All That You Can Do sign. So over here, we just have more jewelry organization, my clock, some little Beauty and the Beast figurines, some flowers, my TV. Behind there, I keep some beanies, a piggy bank, and another lamp. My wall calendar, a heart that says Rachel's room, some cake toppers. We have my chair. Underneath that is a stool. And then below that, we have my trash can, some backpacks, a scarf, some shoes. Got some knockoff Birkenstocks recently. Snoopy, my purse, snacks, random stuff. We have my bin full of blankets and pajamas. Then we have my desk area, which contains like stationery items, pens, pencils, all that fun stuff, as well as a water bottle and a little tripod. Over here on my chair, I keep my charger just like hanging right there, headphones, tablet, remote control. Underneath that, I just keep some extra like stationery items underneath there. My charging cord right there. So yeah, there's that. Let's move on to my bedding area. Over here, we have my Polaroid wall. We just have some random photos I took of like spring stuff. Then we have my bed, stuffed animals, some more canvases. We have a little flower right there, a canvas that says Faith, Hope, Love, Sweet Baby, a unicorn, and then an anchor. Underneath my bed, I keep board games. And then over here, we have my hat collection. More wall decor over here. We have Live Well, Laugh Often, Love Much. And then an R, some little certificates and signs. My vanity with all of my Bath & Body Works products, some candles, pocket back holders on the side, lip balms, you name it, I got it. And then we have some stuffed animals on the side. My nail polishes are in that container, some makeup bags, and my loofahs. Here's my lip balms and lipsticks, and then in here we just have some extra products, lip glosses, lip balms, and then in here I just keep extra stuff as well. And then over here we have my scrunchies, mirror, fan, hair tools, skincare, mirrors, my other mirrors right there, and then my makeup brushes and my makeup. My makeup bag that I use every day is right there. My stool. Ignore this. And then we have some school books right there. And yeah, guys. Oh, wait. Totally forgot this section of my wall. Of course I did. Let's get into it. We have my purse right there. This section is like my girly wall. Just gonna do a quick overview. We have my little llama. Some necklaces I hung up, this little heart thing right there, my lamp, some more canvases, and then this poster that says You Are So Loved. I can't believe I forgot that section of my room, OMG. Anyways, yeah guys, that's my room tour. Kind of a flop, but that's okay. Hope you guys still enjoy it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.